Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Mobikwik wallet to Paytm wallet. First thing first, go to mobikwik.com and log in using your mobile number and OTP or password. Click the Pay or Transfer tab at the top. Now, click Send to Bank and enter the following bank name, account number, IFSC code, and amount. You'll receive an OTP on your phone, just enter it and click Confirm. Now all you need to do is add money to Paytm wallet. Once the money reaches your bank account, usually instantly, open the Paytm app, tap Add Money and load it into your Paytm wallet from your bank account. Just note that direct wallet-to-wallet transfers between Mobikwik and Paytm are not officially supported. This method uses your bank account as a bridge. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.